Hello everyone, welcome back to Spotaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off smart lock Google on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that Google Smart Lock is let you conveniently unlock your account with safe password on your Google account under defined safe circumstance such as location and other, and then it easier for you to about opening your account without having rush to enter your password. But this time I will turn it off this feature. And how to turn off Google Smart Lock is very easy. So yeah, now let's do the tutorial. Okay, first go to Google Chrome on your cell phone and then click three dots on the right top, and then after that now you can go to settings, and now you can go to Google Password Manager, and then after that now you can go to settings and you can turn off over to save password and automatically create a passkey to sign in faster. And so yeah, the Google Smart Lock already off. Alright guys, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.